Highly specified wire grades are constructed with internal holding plate to ensure consistency and safety for the wire wheel. Constructed for even balance, which provides smooth performance with the wire wheel for angle grinder. Wire is 100% inspected to meet demanding quality specifications. Equipped with knotted wire for heavy material removal, DEWALT Bench Grinder Brushes are crafted from highly specified wire grades with an internal holding plate to ensure consistency and safety. Balanced construction delivers smooth performance. Crimped wire provides flexibility. Add function to your DEWALT 8-inch bench grinder with the DEWALT DW4906 crimped wire brush. The brush is crafted with maximum reliability in mind. Strict specifications are applied to the design and designed to ensure they maintain a competitive higher than standard wire count. Best used for moderate jobs, including deburring, smoothing a weld, dislodging rust, and prepping a surface. The DW4906 is most compatible with 5/8-inch arbor and functions at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Top reviews from the United States. Very well made. This thing is stout, very well made, and very heavy. Strips paint and rust like a dream.